Sisemkhondo lana 30 June 2026 i-march against illegal immigration. Ngoba sibona lana konakele emkhondo namhlanje. Baphumile abantu bagcwele la edolobheni. Njengoba sibona nje. Njengamanje nje amaphoyisa angenile la building nabe media kunale bhilidi lelo kusolakala ukuthi kunabantu abahlala la okungenzeka ukuthi baphula umthetho kuleli. So ke asazi ukuthi kuyohamba kanjani. Mhlawumbe uma ngabe sesithole ababuya ngaphakathi bazosichazela ukuthi ngabe khona nabakutholayo ngaphakathi kule bhilidi leli eliphakathi emkhondo edrobhe. Niyaphila bhuti?
Siyaphila futhi njani?
Siyaphila. Mfoka Mkhonza TV and podcast. Mhlawumbe njengoba sibona labantu bamile lana sifuna nasenathi kwenzakala njengamanje la njengoba sila phakathi edrobheni emkhondo.
Ngokomthetho ngendlela esenze ngakhona siya-apply i-peaceful march for Mwele to ukuthi sibe communicated ngazo zonke indlela futhi sibe nendlela ukuthi sibone lama drugs because affect lama drugs ngendlela so ngubona abantu bemile nje kanje it's because of sekutholakala ama drugs ngalenzansi and then nala abantu ba information ukuthi kunawo abantu abadayisa ama drugs ama undocumented foreigners avela ngaphezulu nama Nigerians so up to so far basathola ama Ethiopian so kusaverify la ngaphakathi baseza nabo amaphoyisa immigration.
So le bhilidi leli lihlala ama Ethiopians?
Yes, lihlala ama Ethiopians bahlukana kwabo. Not only Ethiopians nama Nigerian. Yes, so umphakathi omile nje unale complaint ukuthi uyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani la ngaphakathi.
Short kafishana amaphoyisa njengoba ehamba esesha umphakathi wakhombayo ukuthi
exactly umphakathi wamba ukhomba ukuthi la siyazi. For the many years past ago so banayo information ukuthi ba-affecteka lapho umphakathi.
Alright. Hayi akunankinga sophinde sinibambe mhlawumbe after sebaphumile sizwe ukuthi kutholakaleni phakathi.
Yes.
Siyabonga futhi ubani kodwa?
Ubhekisisa nje kwakunene.
Ubhekisisa kunene. Hayi siyabonga Mtimani. Siyabonga. Besikhuluma nobhuti ubhekisisa la omunye wabahola le march echaza ukuthi njengoba simile la ngaphandle kule bhilidi elihlala ama-Ethiopians basa-check-a ukuthi ngabe akukho yini okungatholakala la okuphula umthetho ukuthi abantu babe khona la kule ndawo. So sizothola uma ngabe sebaphumile ngaphakathi ukuthi hamba kanjani. Engathi abatholakalayo njengamanje masizwa abarana amabhizinisi angenawo amaphepha afanele noma anele ukuthi bangawarana lamabhizinisi lamkhondo. So iloko esakuthola njengamanje, but i-feedback egcwele sizoyithola uma sesinikwe i-report egcwele ngokomthetho ukuthi yini ngempela abayitholile ewuphulwa komthetho la.
Now, where's the passport? But we just come from there. No, we go together there. Yeah, I'm going to Ayanda. Now,
okunye okuvelayo manje la ukuthi engathi kulabo somabhizinisi laba abavelayo la kutholakala ukuthi abanye bashadile nama South Africans, kodwa kucaca ukuthi umshado kanjani. Njengamanje nje kutholakala ukuthi oyedwa wala ngazoma ama Ethiopian noma ababuya kuphi, engathi ushade no-Ayanda Thwala, kodwa sizazothola yonke info ukuthi bashade kanjani, inhloso eyini. Sizokuthola konke lokho njengoba naku beyiswa laphayana emotweni yamaphoyisa. Kusho kona ukuthi kukhona izinto ezingacaci kahle okufuna ziyophenywa mayelana nalamaphepha awakhiphile bawanika amaphoyisa. So yiloko-ke sizokuthola later uma sesithole i-report ukuthi yini ngempela abayenzayo lamkhondo. Ufithi le. Ngibonile.
Umsebenzi ejimisi.
Njengamanje kubhekwe eHome Affairs. Kubhekwe eHome Affairs yoverifywa amaphepha alabo somabhizinisi esikhulume ngabo. Tholakala ukuthi ngabe balana ngokusemthethweni yini.
Gracias.
Engizokuthanda nje wafuna ukuthi sike sithi uxoxa ngesimo esisibhekile ngaphambi kokuthi ngize ngimnikeze le ngoba uma sibambisene siyitshela lot akekho usidinga mina lama foreigners esifuna sesiwakhiphe manje wasiqeda lapho sawuhamba nawo fune kuyiwe nale PPCF kuyiwe yini Biscom kuyiwe kaThekwani sesithola information ukuthi bangena ebusuku kwa eBicycle bezothatha ama-truck bahamba abelungu babo baqedisile so sibatholile is more than 30 people abashayela amaloli abangenama-documents labantu so funa lento sizameni nalapha ey'nkonjaneni mabe sibulala ngamane basibulala ngoba silwela into yethu yabona sisebenzi nje la emkhona yibo labantu baphuma ngabo nanene sike sazama ukulwa nabo Rubex kwafuna sishayele uRubex nabo WBS no Sandra nakhona mphakathi nje sizaphinde siqoqane sihambe nisofesitale phansi emgwaqweni sifuna ngokwethu siyawufuna lo mgwaqo usetshenzwe ngabanzana siyawudinga so manje nansi imemorandum esizoyinikeza uMM uphi baba sanibona baba uNkonzo sanibona mama
Asondela sibakhe.
Dalan phansi, kube ne-order. Mphakathi wasekhaya asilalelani sifuna sonke sinenkinga nje ayiyintsha le nkinga engabhala incwadi la mayelana nalezi yatandi nale tandi la nale tandi ngafuthi akekho umuntu ozobhadala imali ngoba thina sisebenzi. Number 2 ukudurisa lezi yatandi bafuna ukuyinika lama foreigners so ithathe only 4 weeks lesi 5 lela abayibuyisile lapha kamasipala bekhomba ukuthi la somphakathi namanje abayibuyisile dispute yethu eyase Amsterdam yasheshabuwe angazi ukuthi bathi bafuna senze njani thina la emkhondo ngoba basibukela phansi nansi memorandum ngizocela nje ukuyisummarize masinyane ngeyikhuthuka inama grievances omphakathi to the municipality manager and executive mayor wasemkhondo local municipality from concerned resident of Umkhondo yethu sisonke njengoba zu30 i-subject yakhona ithi urgent grievances regarding the local economic development wa-LED and town planning department. Inhloso yakhona i-purpose the memorandum serves as a formal complaint regarding cross irregularities, suspended corruption and systemically undermining of local small business by the Umkhondo local municipality. We demand immediate intervention and true investigation and policy reform. Grievances against the local economic development department, prioritization and of illegal foreigners national. The LET manager is actively favoring undocumented immigration. Approximately 90% of the foreigners national issuing trading permits are currently in South Africa illegal. 90% abantu abahlezi baya issue ukuthi abanohlala phana basiphuma and bazosikipha kancane nxa sokwenza siphumile bypassing of due process. Historically, the tariff department, planning department of planning and housing, electoral department were consulted before permits were granted. Since last year, the LET manager has unilaterally issues permit without inter-department consultation. Failure of verification permit. LET department has completely neglected to verify the immigration status and legal documentation of foreigners applicant with the Department of Home Affairs. Sayihambisa-ke yakhona silinde basiphendule ngolwesihlanu. Suspected bribery and corruption. These are the strong perception that foreigners national and prioritizing because they bribe municipal officials. Misapplication of scarce skills, running spaza shop and hawking are not scarce skills. Trading these activities such as such actively harms the local population who really on informally trading for survival. Foreigners with permits are issued to the economy immigrant who were supposed to declare the money on their arrival and the payment of SARS like any other companies that do business in South Africa. Grievances against town planning, illegal business zoning. Trading permits are being issued for the location and properties that have not been illegally rezoned for commercial use. Negligent land use inspection. The planning department of failing properly inspect Mkhondo, allowing business to operate unlawfully in both urban and rural areas. Vele bayabavumela abafowethu ukube sidoko abakwenzi ngabe lapha elokishini nje ngoba begcwele kanje bedelela kanje ngaba beke irregular especially concern zoning large supermarket exceeding 5 by 5 square meters are being incorrectly and suspiciously zoned under special concern without proper public scrutiny. Demanding of immigration action, suspension and investigation, place the LED manager on the immediate suspension of pending a full independent forensic investigation into unilateral insurance of trading license. Disciplinary step, initially strictly disciplinary action against all officially found to have a passing municipality protocol or accepted financial faith. Inter-department audit, revoke the current solo approval system, reinstitute the joint sign-off process involving traffic, planning, EHP, fire department, planning department, electrical department. Permit audit and revocation, conduct an immediate audit of all foreigners-owned businesses permit in Mkhondo. Revoke license for any operation found for undocumented or operation on an unrezoned land. In enactment of proactively bylaw, introduce and enforce binding municipality bylaw that strictly says the township and informal economy for South African citizens. Disrespect and undermining of Mkhondo municipality. The issuance of legally trading license on invaded areas illegally. It also direct undermining the rule of law and the community of Mkhondo. The general manager refusal to act, raising serious questions. Is the general manager internationally undermining the people of Mkhondo? Is the conflict of interest of completely in this lawless actions? Why the community safety and the property right being ignored? The Mkhondo community deserves leadership that protect public interest, not leaders who silently allowing lowness to thrive. Conclusion, citizen and the local taxpayer, we will no longer allow our local economy to be destroyed by undermining administrative lawnesses. We expect a formal written acknowledgement of the memorandum and clear plan of the action of 7 days, for 7 working days. Siyayivala ke lawa futhi imi kanjalo. So njengoba lelokishi lethu nje sasiphila ngale idolo la lokishini and le idolo asisakhona ukuphila ngazo manje ngokuthi umphakathi zohamba wanikeza labantu imvume zokuthi ba-operate lapha yana elokishini lethu. Sesicela ukuthi umasipala usilekeleleke salo sowuyobasusa ke labantu lapha embalokishini ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi siqhubeke sihwebe njengoba sasihweba ngalesikhathi bangakafiki. Akudingo kwamele socela lonke lo Mkhondo kusuke le idolo zabantu bokuhamba ukuze abantu bazokwazi ukuqhubeka bahwebe njengoba bebahweba ngaphambili. Ngena bavumela sesiyasiza lo.
Sanibonani. Mina ngilenkinga nomasipala. Masipala wangithengisela istand 2007. Ngifake emanzini lapha eFoodcare. umasipala uyaphika ukuthi uyena owangithengisela istand kodwa ngathengiselwa i-official ngakwamasipala yaboshwa kune case kule record le case umasipala uma ngithi akangilungisele indaba yestand uthi kimi angikho kuma records akhe mina nginawo ama record nawa elokuqala i-title deed ibhalwe ukuthi iphuma kwamasipala i-deed of sale iphuma kwamasipala ngabhadala 110,000 kodwa ku-title deed kwabhalwa ukuthi ngibhadale 11,000 ngihlala emanzini manje ngina 12 years ngigijima ngehla ngenyuka kwamasipala ngiyabona ukuthi abathandi umphakathi wabo bathatha nje lapho ngathi amafa mhlawumbe abomkhulu nabo bababo ngicela bangisolvele le nkinga le abakwamasipala ngijabula ngoba nikhona nani niyezwa
ngibingelele bashonile mina ngusomabhizinisi omncane okuphila nge-spicer shop ey'ndaweni zasemakhaya e-Ward 3 kangena so i-challenge esinayo la municipality wethu niyasifeyila bafowethu anisinikeza i-support le kufanele ngabe nisinikeza yona ukuze sikwazi ukuthi ngelinye lamalanga singoba somabhizinisi abancane sikhule si-ono pick and pay, si-ono box siyafuna ukufika kulelo zinga lelo lempilo kodwa ngenxa yokusifeyila kwena sisho ukuthi-ke sisupporteni ngemali ngoba vele imali yenu iphelele koma-trucks niyayidla neyeni imali but-ke sinikeni sisupporteni nangama-training ukuthi ngokwebhizinisi kufuneka silirane kanjani sicela-ke ngoba uphumile umnyalo kuhulumeni wokuthi uma umuntu eza la eSouth Africa ezobhizinisa kufanele ukuthi abe nawo lo 5 million yokuthi azokwenza ibhizinisi la futhi aqashe abantu bakhona la eSouth Africa so bonke labanga-comply besicela silekelelane nani ukuthi bavalwe lama-tuck shop ngoba wenzi leyo mali leyo babuyele emakhaya sisale thina la nisilekelele ngolwazi sithuthuke singozomabhizinisi asilekeleleni mkhondo singasibukeleli ningasibukeleli ngempela silekeleleni sisenkingeni la abafowethu abasebenzi ngapha e-Ward 3 seqhashwa wona wodwa mashangana kugcwele amahlathi agcwele wona wodwa kugcwele zonke indawo thatha yonke umsebenzi avuma imali encane so abafowethu bavaleleke umsebenzi silekeleleni-ke mkhondo ningahlali nibukele kanti la emandleni enikhona khona nibekwe yithi futhi sinamandla ukuthi sisuke
Ganzakwethu sizolona manje sesiyayivala masisuka la futhi singamushi sifuna ama-responda la okunye kuzosiwasha ngaphakathi le ndawo ezinye izisele ezikhonjwayo aziyosetshenzwa manje emaphoyisa bese le eJackson kuyokhishwa laba abagwaza abantu abangama-foreigners babagwazela ukuthi kuthiwa bahambe bese konke nangale lokushini aqashe khona ayokhishwa ngoba yaziwa aqashile aqashe khona manje kunale najele la eNzansi efuna lokhishwa manje ngisacela nayo incwadi siyayisayina siyahambisa niyibona nonke noma ibuya kufuna sibe nembuyazana silaleni sonke hayi that's Ayifuna usazise nje ukuthi uzwile yini. Ayibe yinye. Bamasengo. Ayibe yinye ngapha. Nangu MM. Akabe nezwi. Ukuthi ufuna ukudlulisisa ukuthi uzwile na.
Sizozama ukuprojectisa.
Akasondele ngapha ngaphambili.
Siyanibingelela mphakathi. Izwi lami ngicabanga ukuthi lizawufika. Alingangami lona lithe ukuba ngenhla. Siyabonga kakhulu sesiyisayinile imemorandum. Siyayizwa ke nokuthi thini ma abaholi beyibeka. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kusobala kuthiwe sizame ukuyibuka siphendule emva kwabalanga athile. Manje ke sizozama ukwenza lokho. Silungise impendulo. Siphendule sinikeza abaholi. Hayibo. Ngicabanga ukuthi ke naloku okade edwa. Mhlawumbe okungenzeka kukho la sikuzwile. Ngicabanga ukuthi ke kunobaba kade ekhuluma indaba yakhe eqondene naye ezwele. Cha simbhalela incwadi samphendula kahle. Manje angikwazi ukuzochaza ukuthi sitheni la. Kodwa yena simbhalela incwadi samphendula. Yilokho nje ke ngingafuna ukusho. Ngicabanga ukuthi ke ngiyabonga kakhulu mphakathi nokubuka ngathi kwamanje niphethe kahle siyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyabonga qedile.
Impendulo siyayithola mhla ka-9. Mhla ka-9 socela impendulo ze-A. Mhla ka-9 siyayicela impendulo. Asehlukaneni ngemphakathi sihlukane ngephisi futhi. Hayi manini phela sisonke amafethini angithi abantu bebade manje namafethini niyabathi abaqhubekeli manje imigale la.
Sabona ke ukuthi njengamanje imashi ngathi ifike sekugcineni ngoba sesibona nememorandum ukuthi isishiwe kwamasipala uMM othunywe umeya ukuthi azoyamukela siyamukele waphendula sesilindeke ukuthi after 9 days kuzophendulwa ngale memorandum kuzwakale ukuthi izikhalo umphakathi onazo umasipala uzoyi-addressa kanjani siyibamba lana kwamanje senibonga kakhulu thank you so much. Niyaphila baba?
Ngiyaphila futhi.
Siyaphila baba. Baba bani kodwa?
Ubaba ukubheka.
Baba ukubheka ehlala kuphi?
Ngihlala group 10.
Way group 10. What group 10 what bani? What 7?
What 7?
All right. Ubaba ngathi kunesikhalo lapha esizwa sikhuluma la.
Kwenzeka inkinga. Ngathenga istand 2007.
Yeah.
Ngasithenga komunye usisi beJozanele Masuku.
Yeah.
Asebenza la kwamasipala.
Okay. 2007.
7. Asithenga ukuthi it's a special deal
Yeah.
ngoba usebenza kwa-legal. Kwathiwa ukuthi-ke nami ngangi-desperate vele ngifuna istendi umkami wayephela.
Yeah.
Ngasithenga-ke istendi ngasithenga ngo-110,000. Uma ngibuza indaba ye-receipt ukuthi sisi i-receipt uma ngibhadala imali engaka ngizoyikhiphela kuphi.
Yeah.
Wathi kufuneka cash. Wathi ngiyilethe ema-ofisini kuye
Yeah.
noma anywhere la
Yeah.
edrobheni. Ngathi-ke ngingakwazi ukwenzakala loko sisi. Asihambe siye ebhenki la ngizoyikhipha khona kunikeza cash.
Yeah.
Ngamnikeza le 110,000.
Yeah.
Bangibhalela i-deed of sale. I-deed of sale iyasayina.
Ubhalelwa ubani?
Ubhalelwa uye.
Nenoyi-2.
Cha, uyibhala e-ofisini phela uzonginikeza mina ngesikhathi esithile.
Okay, mhlambe before nje uqhubeke ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi makwenzeka konke lokhu ukukhokha imali nokwenza lokusayina leyo deal nani nobabili noma kwakhona abanye ezama witness.
Ebhenki sasobabili kodwa i-deed of sale inama-witness.
Oh,
Yasayinwa nawu former municipality manager.
okay.
Former municipality manager ebekuMr. Lidwaba.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, mayidluleleke indaba ye-title deed yelo ye-deed of sale. Uma ngihamba ngiyofuna i-title deed. Ngithola ukuthi i-title deed ibhalwe ukuthi ngithenge istendi ngo-11,400. Kanti mina ngibhadala 110,000.
But laphayana mayisayinwa ngoba manisayina ngalelo nganisayina ngalo wakhona ukuyifunda kodwa.
Nayi.
Yayibhalwe lo 110.
I-title deed
Noma-
of sale.
yeah.
Nayi.
Okay.
Phela yonke into engikhuluma ngayo futhi ikhona nayi.
All right.
Nayi i-deed of sale.
Yeah.
Ngiyibona isayiniwe ngemuva.
Yes, ngoba.
Ngiyibona ukuthi iphuma kuphi? Iphuma kumkhondo municipality.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
And then emva kwaloko ke
Mm.
silwe ke nosisi sidonsisana manje silwela indaba yani
Yeah.
amount ukuthi i-amount 11,000 kwi-title deed.
Kanti kwaku 110.
10 eyabhadala.
Okay.
And ngeke ngaba smart ngathi asiyoyibhadala ebank so kwaba nokufakazi usayibhadala.
Yeah.
5 years solo ngincane nosisi ukuthi sisi
Yeah.
asilungise le ndaba wala ngaku public protector yayidismissa ngiyazi ukuthi yayidismissa ukuthi they never even bothered ukuthi ba-investigate.
Public protector wamu.
U-public protector lo e-South Africa
Lo khona manje.
hayi bekusose uthula umadonsela
Oh, yazi yafika kuye nje.
yafika ne-file number yakhona
Okay.
bayidismissa ukuthi bathi ayina substance but mina ngiyazi ukuthi azange ba-investigate.
Yeah.
Ngahamba ngayovula i-case
Yeah.
ngayivula eGoli bayitransfera yaya eMiddelburg. Usisi lo osebenza kamasipala wacharge waprosecute
Oh.
wafoundwa guilty
On this case.
on this case. Wafoundwa guilty
That was after,
after public protector, yeah.
Okay.
Ukuthi wenze i-corruption. Angithi mina sengiya emaphoyiseni ngokuthi ngiyabona ukuthi uncedwa ngelithuli.
Okay.
Nayi ngiyakubonisa
Yeah.
i-case number yakhona.
Okay.
I-case wafoundwa u-senior magistrate la.
Okay.
Regional court. Nayi i-case number yakhona yase-court.
Okay.
Nayi.
All right.
Yeah, in 2013.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bamfina guilty. Bamfina 80,000 for 4 years in prison.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine. Yadlula
YK.
leyo wayikhipha ecourt.
Okay, yeah, court, yeah.
Kodwa i-transcript yase court kuneke yakhuluma ngomasipala, corruption ngomasipala.
Yeah.
Mina ngawa late ukuthi ngizame ukuthi basuke umasipala njengoba bekangistrategileyo.
Yeah.
Ngathola omunye ummeli eMeyathon wabathi babhalela incwadi bazi-ignore wababhalela incwadi bazi-ignore. Bona laba bakwamasipala ba-ignore incwadi. Wahamba lokhu ngibancenga manje what is happening lapho?
Yeah.
Lendlu leya iku-wetland. Sengize kubo for the past 10-11 years ngibatshela ukuthi indlu iku-wetland abafuni ukuthatha i-responsibility.
Okay, mhlambe before kube lapha ku wetland ukuthi the time ezokudayisela le ndawo wawuyibonile kuqala.
Kwakusebusika angeke
Oh,
uyibone.
ungayibone yeah.
Yeah, ibonakala kahle ehlobo.
Yeah.
Imvula uma inetha kuphuma ama-streams.
Okay.
Manje inkinga wena bhuti abangixaka ngayo. Bathi I'm not on their records ukuthi ngathenga istendi.
La kamasipala.
Yeah.
Oh, which means azange ifakwe kuma record.
Yeah. But ke lokho bhuti akufuni mina yabona lo mmeli bebam-ignora lo.
Yeah.
Bebam-ignora ababhalela incwadi
Yes.
within the prescription time
Yeah.
yokuthi ubasuke.
Yeah.
Ngokuthi useMeyathon wagcina nganaphawu.
Yeah.
But i-title deed le iphuma kwamasipala yakwamasipala ithi mina ngathi ngistand kwamasipala
Yeah.
imaphi lama-record abakhuluma
Uprintelwe khona nje kamasipala.
ngiprintelwe amaloya kwamasipala le
Yeah.
title deed le ibhalwe amaloya kwamasipala ngabuyela kuwo ngawabuza ukuthi mina ngibhadale 110 bathi ayikho into esingayenza thina sithole i-instruction ukuthi
Yeah.
wena ubhadale le mali
Okay, so ngicabanga ukuthi uthi uprintelwe kamasipala but before uthe kuthiwa uveil. Ma-record.
angithi that's what I'm saying, that's what I'm querying kubo
Yeah.
kuba ngibhalela incwadi bathi ngibona angikho kuma-records abo ngithi imaphi lama-records abawafunayo ngoba naku
Oh iyo nje la ishoyo uMM mayethi bakubhalele.
but
Okay.
here's the record i-title deed yakwamasipala
So abayishaya indiva yona.
abayishaya indiva i-deed of sale yakwamasipala nayo uyayibona la
Yeah.
yasayinwa yaprove ecourt ukuthi yasayinwa u-MM by then
Okay. Okay.
imaphi lama-record abakhuluma ngawo
Okay, akezwakala. Maye mhlambe mangabuza njengamanje ama-option onawo asekhona noma mhlambe udinga new advice ukuthi ungenza.
awekho phela ngoba uyabezwa bayangichitha and akusikho ukuthi bangichitha ngama-facts bangichitha
Yeah.
ngenkani
Okay.
ngoba if bathe kimi
Yeah.
yini le wenza ukuthi usilandele uphela ukuthi thina is responsible for the stand le angithi bengizobanikeza i-title deed i-title deed le noma ngingakunikeza uyowenza ilo
Yeah.
ithini
Yeah.
i-search
Yeah.
e-deeds office
Yeah.
izothi indawo ngayithenga kwamasipala
Okay, mhlambe mangabuza i-option yokuthi mhlambe ungaya ku-new public protector manje ucabangani ngaleyo mhlambe ngekusebenza.
ngimbhalele u-public protector
Oh,
namanje
lokhona
ngifuna
manje,
ukulungisa le
okay.
ncwadi ku-speaker because
Okay.
ngineshoyo ukuthi laba
Yeah.
bavikela umngani wabo
Oh. Okay.
lo kuyena wenza lento ngoba instead ukuthi bamdiscipline aye kuyeri
Yeah.
bampromote
Okay,
so baprotect
usekhona.
ukhona ku-system ukhona ku-system
But akasekho
yamasipala,
office.
kodwa akasekho
Oh.
so baprotecta yena laba bayazi ukuthi if bangayivuma
Yeah.
lento ukuthi umngani wabo usenkingeni
Okay.
yabona
Akezwakala.
angeke uthi kimi awunama-record nayi into yakwamasipala isayinwe umasipala yiliphi le record okhuluma ngayo i-title deed nayo ayibhalwa noma ngawubani i-title deed ibhalwe deeds office kuphela and abantu abenza ukuthi i-title deed ibe right
Yeah.
amaloya lawa anginikeza le title deed amaloya wamasipala by then
Yeah. So nje ama-proof ebhenki unayo yonke leyo.
kukhona angithi i-court yayo ebhenki FNB
Okay.
i-court ukuze ibambe i-decision they
Yeah.
get all the evidence
Okay. Okay.
otherwise i-court bengeke umfande guilty
Okay.
and i-official yabo why bathi abanama-record
Yeah. So manje mangabuza last question, what is your wish njengamanje? Ufisani?
ngifuna bangikhiphe kule stand esisemanzini
Yeah.
because yibo aba-responsible yibo abathatha umuntu ocorrupt wangicorrupta mina it's their responsibility and the worst part of it i-Labour Relations Act ithi kufanele ngabe bamdiscipline lo sisi
Okay.
ma ungabheki imadlanga ma u-appeara lapha ubuyele ekhampanini bayokudiscipline azange bamdiscipline bona bampromote
Mhlambe ngikhohle ukubuza le stand okhuluma ngaso sasakhiwe noma wafika wazakhela?
azakhela mina
Oh, okay. Alright. Akezwakala.
but bona njengoba ngikutshela the reason why bangafuni ukuthatha i-responsibility
Yeah.
baprotecta lo mngani wabo ngoba le nto uma iye ekhanseleni leya izolandelwa ilandelwe kuze kutholakale ukuthi nango umuntu wamosha
Okay.
i-government idile nayo
Kodwa ngijabuliswa ukuthi uthi so umbhalele u-public protector but bongakayitholi response.
hayi bengingakayitholi
Ngoba mhlambe uma singaphinde siyi-check i-case yakho after sesizwele uku-response ukuthi kuhamba kanjani from now.
Protector, yeah.
Ngoba mhlambe yena uzobona uma ibheka yonke le evidence
Yes.
ukuthi mhlambe angaphinda ayivuselele.
ngicabanga ukuthi bazoyenza ngoba wonke ama-reference number everything inginayo
Ikhona.
and njengoba ngisho lawyer
Yeah.
akazange wa-investigate
Okay.
yeah and yena beka-investigate i-corruption
Yeah.
manje kune-issue ukuthi ngikuyi-wetland
Yeah.
indlu yami iyacracka ehlobo ngeke uzungene lapha
Yeah. Akezwakala.
ngeke uzungene
Hayi siyabonga baba. Isitori sakho ngicela sizovela kuyo le video namhlanje. Siyabonga kakhulu. Umfoka Mkhonza TV and podcast ku YouTube.
YouTube
Yeah. Siyabonga.